It's time for another gardening update.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Miss Janita, back again, sharing what's going on with these plants of mine. And we got some success, but I just don't know what the name of this plant is. They saying it's elephant, but I don't have any elephant seeds. This might be a flowers plant, but time will tell once it get bigger. But this is the plant I showed you guys that was growing something out of it. Look how big and look how many leaves is on this little stem. It's doing pretty good. And that's the sage doing pretty good. Since I moved it to the hotter side of the balcony. Nothing in here yet that I can see. Parsley over here. Summer savory over here. Tarragon over here. Thyme over here. Nothing happening in these yet that I can see. Y'all see anything? Nope. I still got to figure out what this is. Got to get bigger. So the tomato plants are getting bigger too. And look like I'm going to have to put a stick in here for support. They look really nice, healthy wise. So that's my little update on what's growing and what's doing well over here on the balcony garden. Yep. That black rose plant back there, it's green, but it's been doing okay in the shade. A little shade anyway. But that's everything, y'all. I'm just on my cosmos trying to take off, and that's about it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great gardening day. Don't forget to check out the other participants in this collaboration. Thank you so much in the beginning of the video.
I'll see you on the next one.